Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a luxury motorhome made for those who want to hit the road in style and comfort. It comes in various layouts to fit your needs and is packed with great features, including a powerful engine, spacious living areas, and a high-end kitchen and bathroom. Inside, the Sonic Supreme has a clean, modern look with an open, airy layout. The furniture is high quality and comfy, perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stove, oven, and refrigerator, making it easy to prepare meals while on the road. The bathroom is roomy and includes a separate shower and toilet, offering all the convenience of home. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or just a weekend trip, the Adria Sonic Supreme gives you all the comfort and luxury you need to enjoy the journey. The Aqua House is an exciting new way to live on water, combining comfort, luxury, and eco-friendly features. This innovative concept is more than just a home. It's a sustainable retreat designed to make living on the water both practical and stylish. With solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient designs, the Aqua House is built to be self-sustaining while reducing its impact on the environment. Inside, the Aqua House has a modern, sleek design with large panoramic windows that offer stunning views of the water. There are also multi-level decks, perfect for relaxing or enjoying the outdoors. Whether you're lounging on the deck or taking in the views, every part of the Aqua House is made for comfort and enjoyment. This home is ideal for people who want something different, a living space that blends luxury with the beauty and peace of nature. Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet Van. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet Van is the ultimate luxury on wheels. It takes the regular Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and turns it into a high-end mobile office and entertainment space. Perfect for people who want to travel in style, this van offers a unique combination of comfort, technology, and luxury. Inside the Jet Van, you'll find plush, comfortable seats that make long journeys feel like a breeze. The advanced entertainment system is designed to keep you entertained, while the high-speed internet ensures that you stay connected and productive wherever you go. Whether you're working or relaxing, this van provides everything you need for a smooth, enjoyable ride. What makes the Jet Van stand out is its meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. Every part of this van is designed with luxury in mind. It's a favorite choice for celebrities, business executives, and anyone who wants to travel in the best way possible. Conqueror UEV 490, your ultimate off-road adventure companion. The Conqueror UEV 490 is a tough and reliable off-road camper designed for those who want comfort and durability, even in the wildest conditions. Built with military-grade materials, this camper can handle rough terrains while offering a cozy and luxurious camping experience. Inside, it has everything you need for a perfect adventure: a compact kitchen, comfortable sleeping space, and plenty of storage for your gear. The rugged aerodynamic design ensures it can take on any challenge while still keeping you comfortable. Plus, with its independent suspension and off-road tires, you can cruise over rocky, uneven landscapes without a hitch. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended off-road journey, the Conqueror UEV 490 is made for those who want to explore without sacrificing comfort. Crawler Belen. The Crawler Belen is a luxurious motorhome that's perfect for both comfort and adventure. This spacious RV is designed with both style and practicality in mind, featuring a sleek exterior and a well-thought-out interior made with high-quality materials. It comfortably fits up to 4 people, making it ideal for families or groups of friends to hit the road together. Inside, the Crawler Belen is fully equipped with a kitchen and bathroom, allowing you to live independently while traveling. Whether you're preparing a meal or getting ready for a new adventure, everything you need is right at your fingertips. The living area is cozy and perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or just a weekend escape, the Crawler Belen offers the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and style. It's a motorhome that lets you enjoy the freedom of the open road while providing all the comforts of home. Furrion Elysium, the most luxurious RV on wheels. The Furrion Elysium is not your average RV. It's a luxury home with next-level features that will blow your mind. This 45-foot-long motorhome is packed with high-tech gadgets and jaw-dropping design, perfect for those who want to travel in serious style. One of the coolest things about the Elysium is the sky deck on the roof. Yes, the roof. It's not just for relaxing. It doubles as a helipad. The sky deck also has a hot tub, comfy lounge chairs, and even a full bar. Imagine sipping your favorite drink in a hot tub while enjoying stunning views from the top of your RV. Inside, the Elysium is just as impressive. It has a modern kitchen, leather sofas, a dining area, and a huge flat-screen TV. Everything is designed to make you feel like you're in a luxury apartment, not an RV. And here's the best part. It has smart controls. With just your phone, you can adjust lights, temperature, and entertainment settings. Genius Hausbude, luxury floating homes for a sustainable lifestyle. Genius Hausbude creates luxurious, eco-friendly houseboats that offer the perfect mix of modern living and sustainable design. These floating homes are packed with high-end features, including spacious interiors, panoramic windows that let you enjoy stunning water views, and all the comforts of a well-equipped home. What makes Genius Hausbude stand out is their focus on sustainability. Houseboats are equipped with solar power. HouseMe, a modern, sustainable living solution. HouseMe is a smart, eco-friendly modular home designed for a sustainable lifestyle. It combines modern design with advanced technology to offer a self-sufficient living space that's perfect for remote locations. Equipped with solar panels, a water purification system, and top-notch insulation, it's made for off-grid living. Inside, you'll find a spacious and luxurious interior with sleek finishes and smart home features that make daily living easy. The home is also built with energy-efficient appliances, helping you live sustainably without sacrificing comfort. What makes HouseMe stand out is its easy transportability. Whether you're using it as a vacation home or making it your permanent residence, this modular home can be set up anywhere. It offers the perfect balance of style and convenience while being kind to the environment. The Intech OVR is the ultimate adventure trailer made for those who love exploring the great outdoors. Built tough with a fully welded cage and frame, this trailer can handle any off-road challenge you throw at it. It's designed for durability, making sure you can enjoy your travels without worrying about the terrain. Even though it's compact, the OVR surprises you with its spacious interior. It has a cozy and practical living space where you can feel at home on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped for cooking your favorite meals, and the comfortable bedroom makes it easy to relax after a day of adventure. The Intech OVR is perfect for people who want to get off the beaten path and explore remote areas. Whether you're going on a cross-country journey or just looking for a unique way to experience nature, this trailer gives you the right balance of comfort and ruggedness. It's a stylish and reliable companion that makes every adventure even better. Lightship L1 Electric Camping Trailer. The Lightship L1 is a smart and eco-friendly electric camping trailer built for modern outdoor adventures. With its sleek design and lightweight structure, it's powered by advanced solar technology, making it a great sustainable option for camping trips. Inside, the L1 offers a spacious and well-thought-out layout. It's equipped with smart controls, high-quality materials, and energy-efficient systems, so you can enjoy all the comforts of home while keeping your environmental impact low. This means you can go camping without relying on traditional fuel sources, allowing you to enjoy nature in a more sustainable way. The Lightship L1 is perfect for those who want to combine the joys of camping with the convenience of modern technology. Whether you're planning a short weekend getaway or a longer adventure, this trailer gives you the best of both worlds, comfort and sustainability. NL Exclusive S650, the ultimate luxury motorhome. The NL Exclusive S650 is a top-tier motorhome built on the Skia S650 chassis and crafted by NL Motorhome in Sweden. This luxury motorhome is all about comfort, customization, and performance. With several layout options, it can comfortably sleep up to 8 people, making it perfect for families or group trips. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area that expands with a slide-out, a fully equipped kitchen, and a bathroom with a shower. Some models even feature a garage for storing a small car or motorcycle, so you can take your favorite ride along with you. Under the hood, the NL-exclusive S650 is powered by a 16-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 730 horsepower. This beast of a motorhome isn't just about looks. It offers powerful performance on the road as well. Plainscraft Covered Wagons. Plainscraft covered wagons mix old-time charm with modern comfort. Inspired by the wagon's pioneers used on the American frontier, these wagons offer a unique, cozy experience. They're built with care, using high-quality materials to provide a warm and inviting space for a memorable stay. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a fun family trip, or something different for your business, Plainscraft covered wagons are the perfect choice. Their distinctive look and top-notch amenities will impress everyone who steps inside. These wagons give you a taste of adventure while keeping you comfortable, blending history with luxury in a way you won't find anywhere else. Ideal for those who want to escape the ordinary, they offer a one-of-a-kind way to experience the outdoors without sacrificing comfort. The RC12M motorhome is a high-end travel companion designed for comfort and convenience. Built on a durable chassis, it offers a smooth and stable ride on long trips. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area featuring a luxurious master bedroom with either a queen or king-sized bed, perfect for relaxation after a day of adventure. The bedroom is equipped with a flat-screen TV for entertainment and plenty of storage space to keep your belongings organized. The bathroom is just as impressive, with a spacious shower, toilet, and vanity that provide all the comforts of home. What sets the RC12M apart is its advanced technology. It comes with a touchscreen control system to easily manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment settings, making your journey even more enjoyable. For added peace of mind, the motorhome includes cutting-edge safety features like collision avoidance systems. RC12M, a motorhome that feels like a luxury apartment. The RC12M by Motorhomes is a dream on wheels, offering the perfect mix of luxury, space, and clever design. From the outside, its clean and modern look stands out, but it's what's inside that really makes it special. As soon as you step in, you'll notice how big it feels, thanks to its 4 large slide-outs. These sections expand to create a massive lounge, kitchen, and master bedroom. The space is so open and comfortable, you might forget you're actually in a motorhome. It feels more like a stylish apartment that just happens to have wheels. But the RC12M has an awesome bonus, a huge garage at the back. It's not just for bikes or storage, it's big enough to fit a sports car. So wherever you go, your favorite ride can come with you.